How to view memory usage and performance in the developer options on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Then in here, tap on memory. In here, you'll be able to view your memory usage on the device and the device performance. At the moment, it is displaying normal, and my average memory usage is 6.2 GB. Now this device has a total of 12 GB of memory. And in here, you can view memory usage by apps. So in here, you can view memory usage by apps in the last 3 hours, or you can view in the last 6 hours, 12 hours, or the last 1 day. You can also sort in here, so you can sort by maximum usage or sort by average usage. And that's it. That is how you can view and find the apps that is using up the memory usage on the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.